Want to flex on your opponents with the ultimate celebration? Let's learn how to do the Griddy in FC24. First things first, make sure your controller settings are on default. The Griddy involves precise stick movements, so get ready to master it. Okay, you've just scored an amazing goal. Now's the time to show off. Don't move your player after scoring. The core of the Griddy is the right stick flick. Quickly flick the right stick upwards twice in rapid succession. It has to be quick, otherwise, it won't register properly. See that? The player does that little head bob. That's the beginning of the Griddy. Now, after the 2 quick flicks upwards, hold the right stick downwards. Keep holding it down. This will trigger the arm movements and complete the Griddy dance. If you did it right, your player should now be hitting the full Griddy. Keep practicing those quick flicks and the hold, and you'll be griddying like a pro in no time. Now go out there and show them what you've got.